Hi everyone, this is Teacher Mel and welcome to the English class. Before we do our lesson, let's have first the vocabulary of today. The vocabulary of today is rubbish. Rubbish. Let's spell together. R U B B I S H. Rubbish. One more time. R U B B I S H. Rubbish. And its meaning, it is waste materials or trash. Again, it is waste materials or trash. Let's make an example sentence. There are some rubbish in the garbage truck. There are some rubbish in the garbage truck. Okay, what about your example? Can you make an example sentence using the word rubbish? You can comment your example sentence in the comment section below. Thank you. And now it's time for our lesson. So today, let's have a short warm-up song. From the previous lesson, we have rules. Okay, we have the topic about rules. Now let's have a warm-up song about rules. Are you ready? Let's sing together. Okay? I can follow the rules. I can follow the rules. And you'll have a good day. I will follow the rules. I can listen to my teacher, listen to my teacher, listen to my teacher, and I follow the rules. I can follow the direction, follow the direction, follow the direction, and I follow the rules. I give my hands to myself, keep my hands to myself. I give my hands to myself, and I follow the rules. And it is nice to everybody, nice to everybody, nice to everybody, and I follow the rules. We got the summertime to play, and more time to play, more time to fun as every day. Because it's more time to learn and more time to play, more time for fun stuff every day. If you follow the rules at school, oh yeah. When we follow the rules at school, oh yeah. Okay, so that is our warm-up song. Now, after the warm-up song, let's have the vocabulary words or the phrases. So we have 8 lists of vocabulary words or phrases, and I want you to remember them. Are you ready? Okay, so the first one is stay up late. Stay up late. Look at the picture. Stay up late. Remember, that picture is stay up late. Number 2, clean my room. Clean my room. Look at the picture. Clean my room. Remember that picture. Clean my room. Next, washing up. Washing up. Look at the picture. Washing up. Remember, that picture is washing up. Next, watch scary movies. Watch scary movies. Look at the picture. That picture is watch scary movies. Okay, and then play outside. Play outside. Look at the picture. It is play outside. Next, take out the rubbish. Take out the rubbish. Look at the picture. Take out the rubbish. Next, sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Look at the picture. Sweep the floor. Remember, sweep the floor. And then last one, eat snacks before dinner. Eat snacks before dinner. Look at the picture. Eat snacks before dinner. Okay, so those are the phrases for today's lesson. And now it's time for our sentence structure. So we have the positive sentence and the negative sentence. Okay, so we talk first the positive sentence. For the positive sentence, we have I have two blank. Okay, and I'm allowed to blank. Okay, those are the positive sentence. And for the negative sentences, we have I don't have to blank. Or I'm not allowed to blank. Okay, now let's make sentence together. So using the phrases that we have. Okay, first we have positive sentences. So let's have a sentence. I have to stay up late. Okay, can you repeat? I have to stay up late. Or you can say, I'm allowed to stay up late. Okay, I'm allowed to stay up late. Okay, next, another positive sentences. I have to clean my room. I have to clean my room. And I'm allowed to clean my room. I'm allowed to clean my room. Okay, next, washing up. So let's make sentence. I have to washing up the dishes. I have to washing up the dishes. Or you can say, I'm allowed to washing up the dishes. I'm allowed to washing up the dishes. Okay, next. Watch scary movies. Okay, we can say, I have to watch scary movies. I have to watch scary movies. Or you will say, I'm allowed to watch scary movies. I'm allowed to watch scary movies. And then, play outside. So we can say, I have to play outside. Or I'm allowed to play outside. Okay, next, take out the rubbish. Okay, Let's make positive sentences. I have to take out the rubbish. I have to take out the rubbish. Or you will say, I'm allowed to take out the rubbish. I'm allowed to take out the rubbish. Okay, next, sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. So let's make sentence. I have to sweep the floor. I have to sweep the floor. Or you will say, I'm allowed to sweep the floor. I'm allowed to sweep the floor. Okay? And then, last one, eat snacks before dinner. You can say, I have to eat snacks before dinner. I have to eat snacks before dinner. Or you will say, I'm allowed to eat snacks before dinner. I'm allowed to eat snacks before dinner. Okay? For the negative sentences, it means it is not allowed or don't allow. Okay? Don't have to do it. Okay? So let's make sentences using negative, okay? Using our phrases and vocabulary words. Okay, so the first one is stay up late. So let's make sentence. I don't have to stay up late. I don't have to stay up late. Or you will say, I'm not allowed to stay up late. I'm not allowed to stay up late. Okay? Next, clean my room. So you can say, I don't have to clean my room. Okay? I don't have to clean my room. Or you can say, I'm not allowed to clean my room. I'm not allowed to clean my room. Okay? Next, we have washing up. For negative sentences, we say, I don't have to washing up the dishes. I don't have to washing up the dishes. And for negative another, I'm not allowed to washing up the dishes. I'm not allowed to washing up the dishes. Okay, and next, watch scary movies. You can make negative sentence out of this one. You can say, I don't have to watch scary movies. I don't have to watch scary movies. Or you will say, I'm not allowed to watch scary movies. I'm not allowed to watch scary movies. Next, we have play outside. For negative sentences, we can say, I don't have to play outside. I don't have to play outside. Or you will say, I'm not allowed to play outside. I'm not allowed to play outside. Okay, next, take out the rubbish. For negative sentences, we say, I don't have to take out the rubbish. I don't have to take out the rubbish. Or you will say, I'm not allowed to take out the rubbish. I'm not allowed to take out the rubbish. Next, sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. You can say, I don't have to sweep the floor. I don't have to sweep the floor. Or you can say, I'm not allowed to sweep the floor. I'm not allowed to sweep the floor. And last one, eat snacks before dinner. I don't have to eat snacks before dinner. I don't have to eat snacks before dinner. Or you will say, I'm not allowed to eat snacks before dinner. I'm not allowed to eat snacks before dinner. Alright, so those are the negative and the positive sentences. We can use them when we make sentence using the vocabulary words and phrases that we have. And now that you know about the sentence structure using the positive and the negative, let's have the short conversation. So in this time, we have questions and answer. So for the questions, we have 4 questions, okay? So what do you have to do? Okay, again, what do you have to do? And you answer this, I have to blank. Okay, I have to washing up the dishes. Okay, what do you have to do? You can answer, I have to washing up the dishes. And then second question, what don't you have to do? What don't you have to do? This is the negative. What don't you have to do? You can answer, I don't have to watch scary movies. I don't have to watch scary movies. Okay, next, third question. What are you allowed to do? What are you allowed to do? And the answer for this question is, I'm allowed to blank. You can answer like this. I'm allowed to clean my room. I'm allowed to clean my room. Okay, and then the fourth question, we can ask the question like this. What are you not allowed to do? What are you not allowed to do? And you can answer this question like this. I'm not allowed to blank. I'm not allowed to eat snacks before dinner. Okay, or another. I'm not allowed to stay up late. I'm not allowed to stay up late. So these are really easy. Just remember the positive sentences and the negative sentences. The positive, I have to and I'm allowed to. And the negative, using the word not. Okay? I don't have to. Or I do not have to. Or you can say, I am not allowed to. So those are the negatives. So remember, negative sentences using the word not. Okay? Don't or not. Those are the words to remember if they are negative sentences. So it's really easy, right? Okay, so now that you know how to answer to the question, I want you to answer your book for your assessment on page 81. So open your book, student book, that's book, and open on page 81 and answer using tick. Okay, tick or cross, okay? You can tick if the children have to do or they are allowed to do, and X or crows if the children don't have to do or not allowed to do it. Okay? And also, on page 83, you can complete the sentences. There are 4 sentences here that you have to complete using I have to, I don't have to, I'm allowed to, I'm not allowed to. So I want you to answer that using your own sentences. Okay, what about you? What you should do, or what do you have to do and what you don't have to do? Okay? Hope you answer that, and once you have answered, you can take a picture of it and send to Teacher Mel. Okay, you can comment on our Facebook page for your answer. Okay, thank you so much and see you again on the next video. Goodbye everyone. Keep safe.